So over here you can see that I have a PDF file opened up on the desktop version of ILovePDF. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and print off this document. So in order to do that, you can simply go around over here, and as you open out a PDF right here, you can see that print is an option right here. So once you go ahead and choose, you can see that I have a printer selection right here, where I can go ahead and select out different printers that I have attached. So if I were to go and select Microsoft Print to PDF right here, I can go ahead and select out, let's say for example, a paper size right here. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and select out, let's say for example, all pages or even pages. Basically, you can select out the print option right here and then click on print right here. Since I'm selecting a virtual printer, it's simply saving it as a PDF. So I'm just going to go around and say print right here and save. And if, like let's say for example, if my file were to be printed out, it would be printed out just like this. So you can see that this is what you have. And now let's just go around over here and open out a file. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around over here onto Recloud right here. So this is what I have. I can go around and click on the print button right here and choose around, let's say for example, the range, like let's say for example 224 right here, just like this. And then I can go ahead and click on print right here. And then I'm going to go to desktop and I'm going to go ahead and say sample and click on save. So once you do that, this is what you have, as you can see. So you can see that this is the sample right here and it printed out 224 right here. The first page is not there. That is because I only printed out those pages. And that is basically how you can actually go ahead and utilize ILovePDF to print out documents easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.